Everyone watches the final video, the smooth cuts, the perfect sound design, the cinematic visuals, but no one talks about the nights spent learning, the edits that failed, the moments you almost gave up because your work didn't look like the big creators. Have you ever asked yourself, why do their videos feel so powerful? And mine don't. It's not talent. It's not luck, and it's definitely not expensive cameras. It's the process. Today, creating professional videos is no longer about working harder, it's about working smarter. AI helps you move faster, generating ideas, scripts, rough cuts. Premiere Pro gives you control, clean edits, perfect pacing, storytelling. And After Effects, that's where emotion is born. Motion, energy, cinematic impact. Big creators don't win because they're bigger than you. They win because they improve every single video. So let me ask you something important. Do you want to keep scrolling, watching others grow? Or do you want your videos to stop people mid-scroll, to make them feel something? Do you want to edit like everyone else? Or do you want your work to look professional, cinematic, unforgettable? Because becoming better than others doesn't start with views. It starts with skills, with learning, with deciding that this time you won't quit. And if you truly want to learn how I create professional cinematic videos using AI, Premiere Pro, and After Effects step by step, from mindset to final export, then comment tutorial right now. And I promise I'll make a full video just for you.